What's up?
Stinky old oil.
Yeah.
Stinky old Burnsy.
Yeah. I took a shower, but yeah,
Then
I forgot.
Then we got in that old gear oil.
Remind me before.
You need a douche before you go home?
No, I need to take a magnet because I know there's chunks in there.
Yep.
So it's very hot, or just me.
It's just me.
So yeah, tearing down the 390 that we took out of Patrick's
66.
And
I need to get you some penetrating lubricant here.
I already hit it up with the W40.
Yeah, but we need to get some more anyway because we're running low. But Burnsy's on tear down right now on this, so we will continue. Carry on my wayward Burnsy. Right. Oil filter adapter's coming off.
Oil filter adapter. I took the fuel pump already off. Sprayed these with some W40 because
that's gonna be fun.
They're gonna be fun. So I'm just trying to get this stuff on the sides out. I'll start pulling this.
I'll get you the balancer puller. We can get all that off too.
Yep. So.
And then we can probably do pan and timing cover. I'm really curious about the timing set, as we always are on these.
Oh yeah.
Because they're always questionable at best.
Always.
If it's as unmolested as the rest of us, I know we're fakaked.
Fun. Running around with my head cut off.
Yeah, you just tear it down. It's no biggie. It's
no, I'm not in a hurry.
I mean, don't
bagging, tagging, everything.
Yep, and then when we put everything
we have the
together,
totes
nice
that Patrick brought us, putting parts in so they can each get cleaned when we get a little bit closer.
Looking good. You
Yummy.
Should I fire up the ultrasonic?
No, not right now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Not right now. Right now?
Right now I'm trying to get a pile of parts and we can kind of go from there.
How about later?
Maybe later. Maybe this afternoon.
Yeah. A little after lunch. After lunch bath time.
Hopefully, at least by 3 o'clock they'll have that done because my Mustang needs to go on the lift.
Yeah.
It's all over the place on the freeway. So I got new hubs, sway bar links.
You're welcome.
Ball joints, appreciate it.
Oh, I gotta call them and go where your damn hardware is.
Yeah, because you said, "Oh, be in there in the morning." And he came at one point, brought us, I think, the bearings.
The bearings for this.
Yeah.
Those are the bearings for that. The axle bearings, they're next door getting pressed.
Yep.
So that's getting handled. Diff we covered, but we covered that in its own videos. So Burns is gonna carry on.
Yep.
Carry on my wayward Benzie. I'm gonna be annoying today.
Man, you're on a good one today.
Good kitty. Does that have kitty juice in it?
No, that's tomorrow morning.
Nice.
Yeah.
Breakfast of champions.
That's why I'm not going to be here until 10 tomorrow.
Breakfast of champions?
Yeah.
You having a little box lunch for breakfast?
Well, got to start her weekend off good.
Fish tacos for breakfast?
Because I'm going to be gone Saturday up in Pasadena working a festival.
Pasadena? Where you at?
So if any of you guys
what song is that from? Pasadena? Where you at?
I don't know.
California Love.
Oh, okay.
Duh.
Anyways, if any of you guys are at Just Like Heaven in Pasadena at the Rose Bowl, come find me. I'll slinging drinks.
Burns will give you some booze.
Yep.
Now he's going to tear down motors.